it will be dangerous for us to start apportioning blame and saying the leaders are to blame, or the administration is to blame, or the security agencies are to blame. The solution to the problem in the north is to do what has been done in Somalia. I think that's the best practice we can get, is what has happened in Somalia, where the local community together have decided enough is enough with Al-Shabab. So the communities have organized themselves and said, can government come and help us organize ourselves to fight Al-Shabab? So the fight against Al-Shabab in Somalia is being led by communities with the support of government. And I think for me that's where we are headed. And already we are getting very positive feedback from leadership of all cadres from that area, that the communities are ready to assist government tackle the Al-Shabaab problem, because you cannot have a police officer guarding every homestead and guarding every citizen. It's not even feasible. And I've also said that because of the very close relationship in terms of language, religion, and culture between our brothers and sisters in Northeastern and the people who come from the other side of the border, this problem can only be resolved if it is community-led with the support of government, so that again we don't have anarchy. And if we try that, I think we'll achieve a lot of progress.